Presenting the next generation Voltas Beko washing machine with new age gentle wave drum technology. Gentle wave drum technology is a combination of gentle wave drum, inner door glass curve, and paddle design. Specially designed drum pattern gently carries the laundry away like a wave from the drum without any damage. It facilitates easy movement of the garments, better mixing effect. Gentle wave drum technology provides ideal washing conditions that makes the garment last longer and increases the cleaning performance. Voltas Beko, partner of everyday happiness.